हाय गाइस व्हाट्स अप। बाय द टाइम आप लोग ये ब्लॉग देखेंगे मैं मुंबई आ चुकी होंगी। वेल आई एम हियर टू टेल यू आई कट शॉर्ट माय ट्रिप ऑफ 10 days to Goa to just 4 days and this has happened for the very first time। मैं गोवा जाती रहती हूँ। सबसे पहले आई गेस द मोबा एयरपोर्ट इज़ लाइक रियली क्यूट एंड नाइस। आई लव हाउ इट्स स्मेलिंग। What is the air freshener you all use here? I would really want to know. Please let me know. It's lovely. I love the way it's smelling. Very fresh. So guys, story time. I cut short my Goa trip from 10 days to 4 days. And ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था. ज़रा भी नहीं सोचा था. But there are reasons and there are valid reasons at that. Alright, so here's a little background. I have been to Goa many times. This must be like my 25th or 26th time to Goa, but I've never been solo, and this was the first time I came solo. And so I thought, I have holidays with me, so let me try and make the most of it. And Goa है यार, मेरा तो दिल यहीं पे रहता है हमेशा, so मैं आ गई. Now what are the good points? I'll tell you. First off, Goa for me is always going to be Goa. It's always going to be special, so I love it. The stay जहाँ पे मैं रुक रही थी, which was Privé by White Flower. It's a very new property and it's on Vagator. It was stunning. It was outstanding. I think that was the saving grace for me. Beautiful, spacious room and clean, hygienic, and staff was very hospitable, which was very nice. They took lovely care of me. They knew I was traveling solo, and they were available at any or every call that I had to make. Another good thing was Morjim Beach. The Morjim stretch is amazing, yaar. That has my heart. I think I should have stayed there. I stayed at Vagator side, but मुझे Morjim side रहना चाहिए था. ये ऐसे मुझे लगता है, especially after being there. So these were all the good points. Now coming to the not so good points that led me to cut down my trip are Goa is seeing a change right now. यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे laws आ चुके हैं, which is very great because there were बहुत लूज एक्ट्स हो रहे थे यहाँ पे और क्राइम सीन्स थोड़े बढ़ रहे थे. सो देर आर सम वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड लॉज इन प्लेस विच इज़ द रीज़न फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट एंड हिट ऑन टूरिज्म. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ द प्राइजेज फॉर स्टे इज़ एग्जॉर्बिटेंट, मीन्स किलिंग इंसेन. जो आपको रूम्स 2500 में मिलेंगे वो अभी चल रहा है 8,000 10,000 and this is peak season. It is well understood, but it is insane. It's Goa, right? I mean, it's affordable for everybody, so this is also one of the reasons the crowd is not coming here, and most of the foreign crowd is now moved. The traffic is moved to Thailand. Hence अगर आप देखोगे इस time there are very few foreigners that you will see around. And I'll come to the point why am I talking about foreigners. Please don't get that Indian and foreigner context here. I'll explain why. But then Morjim side and Ashmeem side अगर आप जाओगे तो आपको वहाँ पे फिर भी काफ़ी दिख जाएंगे foreigners, so that is great. But apart from that, जो major parties होती है यहाँ पे, they are running absolutely dry. गिन चुन के शायद 20 या 25 लोग ही है पार्टी में, and they all are Indian crowd. So that is another hit that has happened. Now what I personally felt was while my hotel staff and everything was very hospitable and very courteous and very nice and supportive, the other vendors and locals that I interacted with, I didn't find them to be helpful at all. They were unnecessarily rude and मुझे ऐसा भी लगा that they were lethargic. They cared nothing about the business. They are saying they are busy, it's peak season and all, but where's the crowd? Personally मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि वो लोग कोई चीज़ में busy थे, because of course there was crowd or year end है and all of that thing, but then it's nothing compared to what Goa has been during December time, during New Year's, during this time which is peak. It is thronging with people, like no streets are empty. There's so much shor sharaba, there's so many people, the party is happening, multiple parties happening and all that was lull this time around. One of the days I walked off to Vagator Beach. मैं जहाँ पे रह रही थी वहाँ से walking distance है. Just so that you know, I do not ride bikes. That means I definitely have to take help of local transport. Now in Goa, there were no cabs that were available for me. जो मेरा location था वहाँ से तो कोई pickup हो ही नहीं रहा था. And then there were no bike taxis that were available as well. That means I had to walk off anywhere or everywhere I had to go to. So one of the days since Vagador Beach बाजू में ही था, I just walked off there and all. And Vagador has been like one of my favorite beaches. It's the hub when it comes to partying and all of that thing. The crowd wasn't decent at all. I swear, I'm telling you, the crowd wasn't decent. And I got catcalled 3-4 times. Usually जब मैं solo trips पे होती हूँ, I ensure that I'm back to wherever I'm staying by 7 p.m. यहाँ पे I began the journey, which was like 15, मतलब the beach and the hotel is like 15-20 minutes walk. And I began the journey at 6 p.m. It was beginning to get dark. And there was this guy who was following me, and I felt so uncomfortable that I had to ask a couple to please walk with me till a certain stretch, and they were very nice and kind to be with me till that. So basically, having said that, I've never faced all these things in Goa ever because I've been with my friends. और ऐसा भी नहीं था कि बहुत अंधेरा हो गया था, राइट? यू नो, इट वाज ब्रॉड डे लाइट, इट वाज गुड इनफ लाइट एंड ऑल. I didn't feel safe at all. For the first time, I've done so many solo trips. I didn't feel safe. This is my first and the last time solo in Goa. इसके बाद कभी नहीं होगा. This was one of the main reasons I cut down my trip from 10 days to just 4 days, and I'm returning back home. I told you the reasons what they are. The parties are very dry. For solo travelers, I was not comfortable. I'm not sure about others. Maybe those who ride bikes, it's okay. But I'm sure after sunset, you know, it's a little concern. Broad daylight, it is absolutely fine. No issues. The Morjim side, Ashwim side is amazing. I think वहाँ पे nobody is bothered, and you know the crowd was like really nice, as I've always seen because I've stayed that side. I did arrange for a bike ride on the last day, but then honestly I thought, how long can I go on doing like this? So I don't think so it was viable for me at all. But having said that, I think it's just a phase, guys, for Goa right now. And true that the crowd is less, true that the parties are dry, true that the hotel prices and everything is like very expensive at this point in time. But let's give it some time to regain its old glory back. I think Goa has given all of us so many memories. Let's not abandon it right now and give it some time. I'm sure it will be back. With that, I think if you have to make a trip to Goa, you should stay Morjim and Ashwim side. Baki for me, I think it was an amazing self-reflecting time and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. Goa मुझे कुछ भी कराए मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. So that's it from me and hope I've been able to give you some info about Goa, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Jusha World now for giving you this update. I think one thing I forgot mentioning about was why foreign crowd is important for Goa. Okay, there are two reasons I go to Goa. One is, of course, the beaches. They are divine, they're amazing. And second is music. The kind of music Goa has, the Goa party has, is my vibe, absolutely. And these are the parties where people from all over the world, they come and they join. I think music is a universal language, and you are bonded by emotion of that moment. You all are united into one. So it's amazing when you meet so many people from different cultures, from different countries. You make friends with them, you get to know so much. So that is what is missing when I said that it's only Indian crowd. These parties are to some another level only when people from all over the world attend together. So that's the latest update of Goa from me. This was my personal experience. I personally felt that I did not have freedom of movement, and the cabs and bikes, you know, the whole local transport system definitely needs a ton of improvement with reasonable charges. Of course, cost wise, this wasn't a viable option for me, and hence I had to come back. But I'm sure it's Goa. Let's give it some time. They will realize a place that thrives on tourism has to work a model out that is great for everybody, and a safe environment, of course. Never in any of my solo trips in the entire history of whatever I've done, in India and outside countries, I have never felt this edgy. This time I did, and I had to come back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jewisha World, like, share, comment, and peace to everybody. Bye bye. Take care.